To create a Military OneSource account, go to militaryonesource.mil. In the footer, click Create an Account. If you land on the DoD Notice and Consent page, click Agree, then proceed to login. On the user registration page, fill out the form fields with asterisks. Select and answer 3 security questions, then click the blue Register button. You'll jump to the Military OneSource login page and see a green box. Watch your inbox for an email from event_notifier@gcc.militaryonesource.mil. Click the account registration link to verify your new account. On the login page, enter your new credentials and click Login. Enter additional information to complete your user profile. Associate your CAC card or ECA credential with your profile in the section labeled CAC Certificate. This will save you from having to reset your password later. Click Save and Continue to complete your profile. Thanks for watching, and remember, whatever's happening in your mil life, Military OneSource pros are on call to help 24/7.